Residents of a small town in Louisiana are being advised to stay indoors, frequently wash their hands, and avoid direct contact with soot after that massive fire that followed an explosion at an oil facility. Firefighters are still pouring water on hot spots. This is more than 48 hours after that explosion happened in Roseland. Fortunately, no one was hurt, but everyone within a mile radius, including an elementary school, were ordered out. Another hazard now is an oily residue and layers of black soot now settling on yards, cars, and in homes.
All the soot generated by the fire is associated with combustibles like plastic or burning trucks, as well as some hydrocarbon chemicals.
The EPA is now deploying special aircraft so they can test air quality in the area. Investigators are still working to determine exactly what caused that massive explosion.